I want a gym pass.
For 1 day or month?
Just for 1 day, please.
It is $10 cash.
Here is a 10 bill.
Here is your locker key.
Where is the locker room?
It is down the hall.
Do I need a towel?
Yes, here is clean towel.
Thank you for the towel.
Do you need a trainer?
No, I train by myself.
Please wear clean sport shoes.
I have clean shoes here.
You can go inside now.
When does the gym close?
We close at 10 night.
That is a long time.
Have a very good workout.
I will lift heavy weights.
Be careful with your back.
I will use a belt.
Enjoy your time here, sir.
Thank you for your help.
Can you help me, please?
Yes, what do you need?
Can you spot my bench?
Yes, I can spot you.
The bar is very heavy.
How many reps you want?
I want to do 5.
I will stand right here.
Lift it on 3. Ready?
1, 2, 3. Go up.
This is very hard today.
Push it up. Push hard.
Only 2 more reps left.
You can do it easily.
This is the last one.
Rack the heavy bar now.
Thank you for your help.
You are very strong, friend.
I train 3 times weekly.
Drink some cold water now.
I will rest a minute.
Tell me if you need.
I will call you again.
Have a great heavy workout.
You have a good workout.
Is this treadmill free now?
Yes, I am finished running.
How do I start it?
Press the big green button.
The belt is moving slowly.
Press plus for more speed.
I will run very fast.
Use the red stop button.
Why use the red button?
It stops the machine quickly.
That is very safe feature.
Do you want an incline?
Yes, make it go up.
Press this small up arrow.
It feels like a hill.
It burns many extra calories.
I need to lose weight.
Running is very good cardio.
I run every single morning.
Keep your back very straight.
Thank you for the advice.
I will go lift weights.
Have a very nice day.
Run safe and stay strong.
I will do my best.
I want a cold drink.
We have water and shakes.
I need a protein shake.
What flavor do you like?
Do you have sweet chocolate?
Yes, chocolate is very popular.
Mix it with cold milk.
I will blend it now.
Add 1 sweet banana, please.
The banana makes it thick.
I like very thick shakes.
It is ready for you.
How much is the drink?
It is exactly $5.
I will pay with cash.
Here is your paper receipt.
The shake tastes very good.
It builds your muscles fast.
I had a hard workout.
Drink it after the gym.
It gives me much energy.
Come back tomorrow for more.
I will buy vanilla tomorrow.
Vanilla is also very tasty.
See you tomorrow, my friend.
Where is locker number 5?
It is in next row.
I cannot open my locker.
Do you have your key?
The key does not turn.
Let me try it now.
Be careful with the lock.
The lock is very rusty.
Can you open it, Alex?
I will push it hard.
The door is open now.
You need a new locker.
Can I use number 6?
Yes, number 6 is empty.
I will move my bag.
Here is the new key.
Thank you for your help.
Do you need a shower?
Yes, the water is hot.
The shower is very hot.
I need some liquid soap.
The soap is on wall.
I feel very tired today.
A hot shower will help.
See you later. Thanks again.